Around the Fire in Slavery Days by Trey Tyler. This is a picture of one of the very first African slave boats that took many slaves forcibly from their land to America to work hard labor. After slaves were bought and sold to their masters to do hard work, to keep their spirits up, they told folktales to sing to each other. Slaves would get beat with a whipping. Their master or a driver caught the slave singing or telling folktales to each other. Each folktale had a moral, and each were different. Morals were put into folktales to teach other slaves and children things, but each folktale had a different moral. And Goober's gone, Rabbit gone, and how Nehemiah got free. Each folktale had a different moral, which was different from the previous story or a different story that you heard, which shows that there were a variety of morals back then. In folktales, they had animals like Blue Rabbit, which symbolized slaves, because Blue Rabbit can always outwit other animals and other objects to get out of big situations. African slaves would first hear folktales from older slaves when they were working in the field or going to sleep or at a get-together or secret meeting. Nowadays, children first hear their folktales in preschool or kindergarten. Folktales can still have the same morals, even if they weren't exactly the same storyline as back then. Folktales back then were used to help slaves cope with slavery. It also helped them get through their day and made their work seem less